In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete all saved passwords. Google Chrome, delete all passwords from Chrome. First, open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Make sure you are on the main browser window so you can access the settings menu easily. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see the three-dot menu icon there. Click on those three dots to open the main Chrome menu. From this menu, select Settings. On the left side of the settings page, you will see a sidebar with several categories. Find and click on Passwords and Autofill. This section is where Chrome stores and manages login details, payment info, and autofill settings. After opening Passwords and Autofill, click on Google Password Manager. Here you can view saved passwords and control how password data is handled. On the left side of the Password Manager page, you will see another menu. In that menu, click on Settings. Now you will be inside the settings area for Google Password Manager. Scroll carefully if needed, and look for the section called Manage Data. Under this section, you will see the option labeled Delete All Data. Click on Delete All Data to remove all saved passwords from Google Password Manager. Before you confirm anything, make sure you understand that this action will erase your saved password information from the manager. If you use saved passwords often, it is a good idea to be certain before continuing, because once the data is deleted, you may need to enter your login details manually the next time you sign into websites. After selecting that option, follow the on-screen prompt to complete the deletion. Once confirmed, all saved passwords in Google Chrome through Google Password Manager will be removed. That covers everything you need to know.